Hi. So, I have another product here. Ano, hayaan nyo yan kasi nagpa-practice po ako for applying as an ESL teacher. Choo-choo to the bet-bets. Anyways, meron akong product dito na gamit ko starting this summer na nagamit to. This is a universal pen. Yung pronunciation ko na naman, baka magkasala ako sa teacher ko. Oh my gosh. Anyways, this is a universal pen. Mm. Pwede siya sa tablet, sa phone, and sa touchscreen na laptop. Okay? So, ito yung isang dulo niya. As you can see, wait. Hindi siya makita sa camera. Sorry naman. Oh, at least nakikita yung product. Oh, 'di ba? Oh, 'yan. Tapos ganyan yung dulo ng isa. Oh, may pa-flat tip. Ito namang isa, may pa-oblong, circle, whatsoever. So, bilhin nyo na, okay? Every time you buy, on the link provided below, by the way, I have commission. So, thank you for those people that will gonna buy. And if ever you have questions regarding this product, just comment below and I'll try my best to reply. Siyempre, gamit ko eh. Of course, alam ko, di ba? Yun lang. Thank you!